Hi everyone. When loading the data from the files, our software supports 4 different encoding: ANSI, UTF-8, UTF-16LE, and UTF-16BE. If you have any other file in different encoding comparing to those 4, you can use change encoding package action. It supports wide variety of encodings. Let me show it to you. You can see the list of vast. It's very unusual to receive file in format other than UTF-8 or UTF-16, but it does happen from time to time, and this is when change encoding action is very useful. Here we have very basic example. What we are doing here, we just setting some variables, data and the root folder, and then create the folder, then saving string into the file. When this happens, the file is created in UTF-8 format, and then we change encoding from ASCII, in this case UTF-8, to UTF-16, and after that we just do cleanup, we delete the folder and delete files. Let me run it. So all completed. I hope you find this tutorial useful. Please like and subscribe, and as usual, if you have any questions, please go to our support forum and we'll do our best to help you. Thank you, bye.